Hi, I'm Wesley Shinkal. I'm the school principal here at Kapolei High School. I was first introduced to the idea of design thinking, more than a decade ago. I heard about it and I was telling Ian and Keith that I believe I participated in at least 3 design thinking boot camps as an instructor, as a school counselor, even as an administrator. And each time I participate, I come away with something different. And it is a problem finding process where we can find problems, really dig deep in understanding in creating solutions for our end users. What I hope to accomplish with this shift in focus is really providing an opportunity for varying opinions and or shifts in mindsets. Really, I see design thinking as a way to help enhance our school culture and climate with respect to trying to provide a safety net, a safe place where people can be creative. That's what I hope to accomplish here at Kapolei High School as well, is providing a baseline context for all of our employees, as well as giving them the freedom to innovate and create in a safe, controlled environment, in a school environment, and learning from our challenges and our successes to help continually enhancing the teaching and learning that goes on here at our school.
I'm Jessica Tato. I'm the Campbell Kapolei resource teacher.
I'm Grant Maimana, social studies teacher, and I'm also the driver's ed coordinator for Kapolei High School.
I was introduced to it a few years ago through different professional development. So for me, it seems like the Kapolei is really going through a renaissance. And the principal was talking about a lot of enhancements and changes that are coming. And I feel like just in general, in our state, in our country, kids are different and education needs to start to be different.
Yeah, so when I got into teaching, one of the first things they told me was teaching is dynamic. And I've been teaching for 16 years, and I got to admit that the things have changed. The teaching model is beginning to morph. You know, whether good or bad, I think that's just how it is. And we need to look at ways in which to be part of that change.
I mean, I think I have 2 end goals. One in terms of the faculty and the teachers, and I hope that through this process they start to see how powerful they are and how much true collective efficacy they have, and how when teachers put their minds together, and when teachers are trusted, when teachers are empowered, they can do great things to impact students. And on the student level, my hope is that this school and all the schools in Hawaii work towards creating better, empathetic citizens, and that when students are here at school and when students are outside of school, they're able to contribute to society in just a positive way.
The main speaker, the one word that jumped out at me was transformative. As far as on a personal level, I'm looking at hopefully changing my thinking, just change my thinking, my approach on how I'm doing things, so that we're not just making ice cream, but we're looking at the main purpose.
I'm Sean Tajima. I'm the interim complex area superintendent for Campbell Kapolei complex area. I got introduced to the design thinking process about 10 years ago when it first came in. They had a group from Stanford who came in to do a workshop, and I participated in that. I do remember it was a unique way of thinking, and there was a certain mindset that went along with it. Design thinking is not something, it's not a specific curriculum, but it's really a way of thinking and problem solving and coming up with solutions that haven't been thought of before. Things are changing very rapidly compared to even 10 years ago. So it's a time that we can't get stagnant in what we do, and we really have to continually look at what we're doing and make it better. So my hope is that the mindset of everybody starts to shift. It's always a challenge for change, but I think if we keep in mind why we're here, that'll push us to continually adjust our mindset to do what's best for our kids.
mahalo to the Oceanit team and everyone involved. As I said, this is historic. We're proud to be part of this, and we just can't wait to see the changes that are going to happen in Kapolei over the next few years. And whatever we can do to help, we're there to support the schools.